Create a modern styled contemporary arrangement for your home consisting of 10 stems of Calla Lily, 10 stems of lucky bamboo, 10 stems of yellow Anastasia Chrysanthemum Bloom and 10 stems of Aspidistra Leaf. It's going to be placed into a nice square glass tank vase, although obviously you could use an alternative vase if you have one. All of these items are sold on our website and we do deliver direct to your door. So hopefully you can create the same as well. So I'm just going to prepare for the arrangement. I have already filled my container with Oasis to the brim. I have my Aspidistra leaves which I'm going to spray with leaf shine just to give them a little bit more reflection, and it makes the leaf look really healthy, glossy and shiny. I have already cut a few pieces of tape which I'm literally going to bind around the end of the leaf to the stem so we create a loop. Okay. You can achieve this also by just piercing the leaf with the stem, but this actually makes it a little bit more secure. It's not detrimental to the leaf, it doesn't affect the longevity because the cell structure is still complete. Just taping all of those. I've actually used the Oasis clear pot tape today. You could use green, doesn't really matter. I actually like the clear myself because it's a little bit stronger. So just binding all of those together. We have our Calla Lilies and our chrysanthemums, 10 of each and 10 stems of the lucky bamboo. So starting off with some of the stems of bamboo, cutting at an angle. I'm just doing a line of those. So I've used 6 pieces of the bamboo there, just in a linear form at the back of the container. So, taking the Calla Lilies, basically going to bend those around. So putting them in at an angle. Just turn this round so you can see what I'm doing. I'm selecting the most bendy ones, technical term obviously. And then I have a small piece of raffia here. I'm basically just going to bend those, gently teasing them. So they tease in nicely, and just tying those to a piece of bamboo. going to strip the leaves off the chrysanthemums simply because it's an arrangement of very simple lines, and the leaves will actually confuse the line structure. I'm just placing those in a linear form. So we have a slightly staggered group. And now the fabulous folded aspidistras. You can just manipulate them into the shape that you want and enable them to cover slightly more surface area as well. And you can hear I'm actually placing that in quite deeply. And then we just finish with another couple of aspidistras. And this one that's at a slight angle will sit in there quite happily. Now, I did just take one more piece of the bamboo. And just going to cut that slightly differing lengths. So we have 3 differing heights, as you can see. I'm just popping that in the centre just to reinforce the focal point of the arrangement. There you go. All we have left to do is just fill in the gaps. So I have some more Aspidistra leaves. Now, just to show you what I meant previously, you can literally just pierce the stem rather than taping it if you prefer to. So I've just added the final 2 Calla Lilies from our group, just to bring that colour theme all the way through. So thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to go and visit our website, that's www.trianglenursery.co.uk, you will find that all of these varieties of flowers are available in other colours. So you might not find that the yellow and the gold works for your colour scheme, but there are numerous varieties available. You can filter for colour selection on the website, so if you've got a colour scheme, say of pink and cerise, you can actually filter pink and cerise for both the Calla Lilies and for the Chrysanthemum Blooms. So yeah, enjoy and have fun. Thank you for watching.